Welcome to this tutorial on how to import Phantom Wallet mobile app. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Solana. Importing the wallet allows you to access your existing funds on a new device. To start, download and install the Phantom Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and tap on Import Wallet. You will be asked to enter your secret recovery phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet. Enter the recovery phrase exactly as it was given to you when you first created your Phantom Wallet, including the correct order and punctuation. If you are unsure about the phrase, double-check your original notes or contact support. After entering the recovery phrase, create a new password to secure your wallet. This password will be used to unlock your wallet on this device, so make sure it is unique and difficult to guess. Next, you will be asked to confirm your password by re-entering it. This ensures that you have typed it correctly and helps prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. Once your password is confirmed, your Phantom Wallet will be imported and ready to use. You can now view your account balance, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and manage your digital assets. As a best practice, make sure to keep your secret recovery phrase and password safe and secure. Never share them with anyone, and store them in a safe location, such as a locked cabinet or a secure note-taking app. By following these steps, you can easily import your Phantom Wallet mobile app and access your cryptocurrencies on a new device. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your wallet information confidential to protect your digital assets.